morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another week here in Print City. I hope you guys are all ready for an absolutely fun week. We have CPI coming up. I'm a tomato over here because I decided to play a game of fuck around and find out with the sun. I fucked around. I found out. I knew it was going to happen, but it's okay. All the picture that Gabe sent you guys yesterday in the announcements, the forehead thing, it's like not there anymore. So we're chilling. Like, we're good to go over here. So team, again, as you guys are filtered in here, make sure you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button. It helps out a whole lot. Spreading the good word of what we're doing for retail investors over here to everybody helps get some more people onto the streams. We do have a couple of announcements as well, but the market's selling off a little bit in the pre-market here, about 0.5%. If you take a look at what we have for economic data coming out this week, we have wholesale inventories today at 10. We have some Fed speakers tomorrow, but Wednesday is going to be what everybody's looking for. CPI, Consumer Price Index, core CPI year over year, Barkin speaking, Treasury budget. And then also on Wednesday, we get the FOMC minutes. So that's going to be another pretty big event on Wednesday. So Wednesday's huge. Thursday's big with PPI and then the jobs report. And then we also get Friday retail set. This is nuts. So this week, I'm probably going to be out of any swings by Wednesday. I still have some kicking around, so we'll see what happens here. But I'll probably be out of them by Wednesday. I don't really need to be fucking around holding through all that nonsense. They're basically playing a game of chicken with like the United States Bureau for Labor Statistics. Like, I don't need to be doing that. So, team, told you we're so good. Yeah, I know you guys see it over here. All right, guys, 12 likes away from 50, and then we will start the announcements a little bit here, team. Hopefully, you guys are really ready for an exciting day here. With the way the market's setting up today, we are going to be having some fun. Also, if you guys haven't watched that swing trading video yet, you definitely need to. Tesla puts printing. There you go. Yeah, I mean, I still have some of these kicking around. I believe I made these free, but I'm not sure. I don't think they're free, but a lot of the initial investments off the table there. So we'll see what happens. Salesforce puts were looking good. Nailed those. Let's see what happens with Nvidia, Tesla, Netflix today. I mean, Netflix is the one that's catching my attention the most right now. If you look at this, Nvidia is still slipping hard. This is not actionable in the pre-market here. So this thigh gap trade, you can't really do much with it because it's in the pre-market. So you're going to have to wait for things to settle down. Same thing with Tesla. I mean, you're just seeing these EMAs slowly converge, but nothing too crazy. This is not what I want to see out of thigh gap here. AMD, kind of the same deal as Nvidia. Facebook over here doing a whole lot of nothing, and then Salesforce the swing. So the only one that I'm really hunting for right now could be Netflix on a little reversion move, and that's just kind of what I'm looking at here going into the market open. But team, keep slapping the literal living fuck out of that like button. So sorry for making fun of you. It's worse than I thought. It's fine, dude. It doesn't hurt. Like 2 nights ago though, I didn't get any sleep because it felt like the sun was attacking me at like 3 a.m. when I had to go up and go to the bathroom, and I couldn't find a comfortable way to sleep. So I didn't sleep Saturday night going into Easter. Also, happy Easter, everybody. But now I'm chilling. I was at brunch on Sunday and I was just like, I'm dying. The problem was too, is that I didn't drink and I was like, I did drink. I didn't sleep, but I was drinking the night before. So I just woke up feeling even shittier. Not the best Sunday, but again, not a bad Sunday to be like completely fucking out of commission on because it was just Master Sunday. I was just watching the Masters all day long, which I never get to do. It's blinding you. Can I look at Micron? Yeah, of course I can. And then we're gonna get into some of the announcements over here. I'm guessing it's gonna be moving. What the fuck happened to this? What happened with Micron? I mean, I wouldn't touch this here, but that's kind of ridiculous, isn't it? That's what is going on here with the market selling off and everything's just like YOLO. Huh. How's this look on the 4-hour? Nah, I mean, it's cooking. It's getting there. I mean, maybe a little reversion play on it if things start to slip, if the chips start to die a little today. I mean, this is up. I don't know what the news is. Anybody know? Something to do with Samsung? That's interesting. Just came here to talk some trash about the Red Lobster off the case. There you go. Micron goes over 60-50, aka the 200 EMA. Is that where you play puts? Are you talking about? I mean, yeah. I mean, that's what I would look for. Break of the 200 EMA would be clean. About $1 lower from where we're currently sitting. But, team, it's announcement time. So, everybody, again, you guys should all know this by now. Everybody gets over 90% off for their first month to the Trade 1348 platform. All of the alerts, the real-time unusual options activity, all the algorithms. Speed Racer 1 is already out for you guys. The 1-minute traffic light alerts, all of the curriculum videos, the live streams, everything. If you know nothing about trading or any options, nothing, Our curriculum walks you through 0 to 100. So guys, the QR code is on the screen right here. Make sure that you guys are scanning that. And it's also at the top of the live chat too. Just make sure you guys are using code Print City. But guys, I have one more special announcement for you guys that you guys need to hear. We're doing something slightly different remember, today's the last day to upgrade to 3-year at this super, super low price of $13.48. Now, since today's the last day, you're not going to have this offer for 3 years anymore. If you want to upgrade to 3-year, get that master level update, not the master level update, the master classes, thigh gap and everything like that. Make sure you guys go to your subscriptions page. You can upgrade to 3-year through there. You don't need to go through Diana anymore. But let me tell you a little bit of what's going to happen going forward. The price of the price of this master level tier is actually not going up. We were thinking about this. So it's not going to be 3 years anymore. It's going to be a 1-year master membership. And the price is staying at $13.48. So if you get in by the end of the day today, you get to be in it for 3 years. If you wait until after today, it's going to be the same price, but you only get it for 1 year, team. And I want to make this abundantly clear to everybody. The stuff that we're going over in the master classes is absolutely ridiculously powerful for a lot of you guys. I know a lot of you guys have seen it. Those of you guys who have been in there, you guys have been loving those master classes. But remember, today is the last day to hop into 3-year before it becomes the final phase of 1-year master. The master group is consolidating into there. If you want it for 3 years, today's the last day. We're giving you guys a special deal. After today, it's only 1 year. Joe, it's what do you call it? It's just every month. But this is probably where it's going to end up and stay. We're getting to the point where we're just going to leave it where it is. So 3 years going away. And it's going to be 1 year master, and that's how it's going to be going forward. So make sure you guys get in before the end of the day today, or you're going to get left behind. But team, let me do this here, the QR code. Let's do a little bit of this right here. Go into the chat. Remember, QR code over here. Boom. There you guys go. All right, team, let's have a good day today, huh? Let's have a good day. We got 8 minutes to go until market open. I kind of like starting these streams a little bit later here. We keep the energy going. We're not sitting around waiting around for things after maybe we'll start at 9 going forward. That kind of sounds like it makes a little bit more sense here. Oh, 40 likes away from 100 already, guys. We've barely been live at all. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get AMD back up here. What's this doing? Down a little. Okay, that makes sense. Salesforce could get interesting today. Let's see what happens there. Yep, today's the last day. And we even gave you guys an extra week because of the delay of Speed Racer. So, final chance. Let's see. DM Ohio, I love you, buddy. Love you, man. Hopefully you had a good Easter. Spent some time with the family. Ooh, I got some promoters that some affiliates I got to approve. There you guys go. All approved. There you guys go. How do you guys like my face? How am I doing over here? Did I get enough fun? Had to stop by, say hello, and leave a like. Missed you this morning. Sorry, buddy. I got my flight was supposed to take off at like 7:30, and then it got delayed till like 9:30, and then they decided to like taxi around forever, and then I got back to my apartment at like 2. So I decided to take an extra 30 minutes of sleep. I hope you guys can understand, especially after not sleeping the night before, because the sun just attacked me, bro. It just attacked. Look at my face. Look at my face. But also, you see, remember the thing that Gabe sent yesterday? The thing that was right here, all that nonsense? That's gone now. It literally looked like the sun gave me an STD. And I was like, this is, bro, come on, son. I don't know where you've been, but that's kind of weird, you know? But welcome, Daily Taylor. Welcome, buddy. All right, guys, 6 minutes to go. I love it. Oh my God. We're going to start making some more videos for you guys too. I hope you guys are ready going into the end of the month here. We are going to have some fun. That looks serious. If you sign up for 3 years today, is that price locked in for every 3 years? Yeah. Yep, it is. It's not going to auto renew, but if you're in the previous tier, you just have to reach out and then we're good to go with you. Thanks for the extra week to sign up for 3-year masterclass. Pulled the trigger this weekend. Thigh gap is fire. There you go, Jay Bird. There you go, buddy. Welcome to Print City. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, today's the last day, guys. Make sure you guys are hopping in before it's too late and it goes to 1 year. Was I in Miami? I flew into Miami, but I wasn't in Miami. It was like an hour or so away. It's an hour and a half, something like that. Oh, I tweeted this out too, that I met, I meet some very interesting people when I go to Florida, guys. And I don't talk about like that aspect of like a whole lot, but like the funny thing is that you see all these people talking about banking and the market and the economy and stuff. And there's all these people circle jerking each other on Twitter. I make one phone call. I can just call an expert. It's like, that's why I say also, it's like when I talk about macro and stuff and all these things, remember, I'm 23. I learned it somewhere. Like these people, guys, the guy that I was talking to this weekend, he's always on CNBC, MSNBC as like the banking expert. He runs a pretty big fund. He actually invited me to go on this fishing trip to Canada with him. I'd love to go, but I have to hang out with you guys. So, but the funny thing is I see people when I say things like Twitter's like makes my brain bleed. It's because of things like that. All these people on Twitter and everything, and all they had to really do was just ask me and say what's actually going on, and I would have told them. But they were all too busy trying to circle jerk each other around. And it's too bad. I tell you guys all the stuff that I know. Remember the oil stuff from back in the day? That was an oil expert. Remember when oil stocks were going crazy and we were talking about the oil companies, and there was that one ticker we pulled up a little bit. Yeah, that was, I mean, there was a guy who loves oil and he just trades oil. He's like, oh, this one's good. I was like, okay, cool. I'll look at it. And then we talked about it. I never bought it, but then some of you guys did made some money. Cool. I mean, there's things that you have to understand, people, that like, oh, spy, little knife here. Yeah, I flew into Miami. But it's funny. Like that's why when I say these things sometimes, I'm like, things make my brain bleed. It's like, because I just like, there are people that just know, that have been doing this for years and have studied these sectors, these industries, these companies, and they know what the fuck they're doing. It's like, you might want to listen to those people because those are the people that are the most successful. The tan is real. I know. When do we short McDonald's? I don't know a McDonald's guy. I've got like a banking guy. I've got an oil guy. Who else? Oh, I know. Oh, what you guys, anybody that watches the Masters at all, know one of those guys, two of those guys, actually. The guys that commentate, know both of them. One of them I know really well. One of them I've met like once. If you ever want to know anything specific about markets and stuff, you guys have the best resource ever, because I just make a phone call and we know. Buy the dip, short the VIX, fuck sunscreen. I love that. I love that, man. But again, that's why I say, like, there's all these other people out there that people try and listen to, and I feel so bad for them because they just have no idea what they're talking about. And then we bring you guys 13, 14. Dude, oh my God. I showed some people like the algorithms, the alerts, and what we were doing with you guys, and they were like, oh my God, that's like the best thing ever for retail. I was like, thank you. I know. They were like, that's insane. I was like, yep. Yep. These guys, some of these guys, I mean, they manage like crazy money. They were like, I wish I had that if I was retail. I was like, I know. That's why we talk about it all the time and give it to everybody. But some people just want to circle jerk each other around and YOLO in the market, and that's okay. But if you guys do want to take things seriously, man, link at the top of the live chat. Use code PRINTCITY, $5 for your first month. There you go. Do we have data? Yeah, we got wholesale inventories at 10. And then other than that, nothing too crazy. Yeah, right here. Wholesale inventories at 10. But we're going to see a little bit of a reaction from the jobs, some of the unemployment data that came out Friday. Ooh, guys, we have 1 minute to go until open. We are 20 likes away. Here we go. Make sure you guys keep running up that like button. I appreciate it so much. Help spread the good word of what we're doing over here. And yeah, the guy that I'm talking about that I talked to this weekend, I might bring him on the stream at some point over the next few weeks just to talk with you guys. I might make it private just for 1348. But yeah, all right. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Here we go. All right. I'm gonna throw a weird limit order out here. See if I can hit one. See if I can hit one here. Just let me bite a little. Give me a little bite. Give me a little bite here. All right, let's check these others. Nancy shooting up a little bit. Tessie doing its thing. And Salesforce flashing around. I'm just trying to get a little fill here. I'll take that. I mean, if you're gonna give me this, I'll take that. Yeah, I take that. Oh, you mother effers. Yeah, that's good. That hit the fill. There we go. There we go, team. Lobster SCV. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, team. Played a little game of chicken with the sun. I lost. And then the sun tried, it looked like it gave me like an STD on my forehead. And I was like, hey, none of that. Nonsense. All right, let's see. I mean, I'm interested in Netflix here. This could get spicy. It's gonna be super low volume in the morning, but we'll see what happens with this. Yep, lobster the VIX. That's what we got over here, team. Yep, I'm up over 1% on my account already. It's pretty good. All right, here's what we're gonna. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Spy slip in. Come on, down to here, Netflix. That's that same fucking level that we were looking at the other day. 332, 330. I mean, that's what I'm looking for on Netflix over here. That's the only one that's kind of catching my attention. Nancy, no. Tess, if Tessie slips harder from here, then yes, but we'll see. Buy the dip, short the VIX, fuck sunscreen. I love that. I love that. All right, let's check Twitter really quick. I haven't really checked Twitter at all today, see what's going on. I don't think anything important. No. I think we're chilling. I'll throw a limit here just to nail one. See if I can catch one. Spy. Ooh. Hello, market. Account up 21% on swings. Fuck yeah, Wreck-It Ralph. There you go. A lot of things pump fake to the upside. But yeah, I mean, if you're using thigh gap, it doesn't really make any sense to trade any of this right here. The only thing I'm looking for is this. But this isn't even as extended, and it did it in pre-market. So I don't know about this one. Maybe I'll just wait for wholesale, see what happens later, and then just kind of let it fly, you know? But following the spy, yeah, it is. All right, guys, 15 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Ooh, we got a lot of slackers in here this morning. Oh, slackers. Okay, Facebook's interesting. That's going to catch my attention here. So Facebook, Netflix, those two I'm looking at. Then Tessie, too, if it continues lower like this. Those are kind of the things that I'm looking at over here. I just need extension. You guys know how I'm doing this with thigh gap, man. It's dirty. It's dirty. The risk is super small. It's a Monday. You got a little bit more. You can get a little bit more time on these contracts going Friday. You can even go next week if you really wanted to. Yeah, I'm up a flat 1% right now off these swings. Because remember, I scaled out of them. I was doing a lot of nonsense with it. Your Apple put swing paid this morning? Attaboy, Algo. There you go, buddy. I want this to hit this limit order so I don't have many left. Because I've already scaled out once. If it hits it again, I'll take it, but we'll see. We will see. Again, it's just thigh gap. Keep it simple, guys. No need to go crazy. No need to go crazy. How are these premiums looking? Yeah, so I'm up 30% on these Salesforce swings. That's not bad. Kicking yourself for not buying puts on Bud Friday. Almost pulled the trigger 3 times. Oh, did they get hammered off that? Off the nonsense? 3%. Yeah, that's pretty big. That's pretty big. Ooh, I like the way they're pricing these too. Okay. Yeah, Spy got sold into. Okay. Let's see. It's Monday, guys. Welcome back to Print City. We are gonna be having some fun, dude. Where's this? This might nail up here if it comes a little lower. Where's Amanda? Amanda, dude, these fucking chip makers just wanna just hang on here, bro. Facebook slippage. Where's Nancy? Nah, Nancy didn't like it. AMD's still holding here. Anyone? Nah, it's slipping a little. Yeah, keep selling, keep going. The Tessie, slip. Thank you, Tessie. Keep it going, Tessie. Yeah, I like this. I like how this is setting up this morning. You're getting these sell-offs here. They're pretty aggressive coming out the gate. You see some consolidation, maybe a little bounce up back to these 13s. Quick scalp if they continue. Great. That's what I like, dude. That'll be great. Some markets are closed for Easter today. Which ones? I think is it a bank holiday? Is it? I think I have all my settled cash. I think I have all my cash. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I got my fill again on Salesforce. That's pretty good. So now I'm really out. I'm basically fully out of the position there. So just going over quickly for you guys, helping you out for those of you guys that are just hopping into the community and you might have a 9 to 5 job. This is where I was getting Salesforce back here off of a 4-hour traffic light. So at the time, SPY was pretty elevated here. So these contracts expire. I believe these don't have that much time. Yeah, these are April 21st. So I bought these last week. So they've got about 2 weeks. They did have 3. Remember, if you guys have watched that swing trading video that I posted for you guys last week, which you all should if you're looking to swing trade, I wouldn't swing anything until you've watched that video. It's very, very, very simple. We go over time frames, everything, but that was kind of the thesis there on the Salesforce. So now I'm up 1.1%. That's not bad. Not bad. I'll take that. Nice way to start off Monday here, and I've done fuck all with the market. I've done 0. I haven't traded anything. Your cash didn't settle from Thursday? Interesting. Tessie down fucking 4.5%. That's interesting to me. Where's Facebook? Netflix, I don't really like. Let's see here. Ooh, 5 likes away from 100, team. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Here we go, folks. Let's say Tessie. Let's see. You had puts on Tesla, Google, and SPY. You're out for the day. Oh, you slaughtered it then, buddy. Absolute slaughter there. SPY doing it a little here. Let's see what we got. Spy getting a little spicy here. Crushed it on puts on Spy and AMD. There you go. Let's see. Baba climbing. Okay. Yeah. Spy. Nice little move there off the low. Wow. The Salesforce puts are up 46% right now. Jesus. Those are up nicely. God damn. All right, team. Let's see what we got here. There goes Spy a little. Come on. Tessie's just got to help it out a little. Netflix, no. Facebook, no. I will watch the new swing video, but you only use 4 hours and daily to swing. Yeah. Yeah. But it's all in the video. It's all in that video there. But yeah, it's the most recent video on my channel. Make sure you guys are checking that out. All right. I think I'm going to take the rest of that Salesforce. Yeah. See if I can nail that there. Yeah, got it. All right. That's nice. Took that rest of it at 40%. That's pretty good. Oxy printing. Oh, that's nice. Haven't seen that in forever. Spy up above this 3-minute 13. There goes Tessie a little. Come on, Strissler. As a white line around it. Yeah, that's potential traffic light incoming there. That's what that means. Facebook down. Netflix doing nothing. Tessie's the only one that I kind of like here. Chevron. Upside. What time frame? What are you looking at? Day trade, swing trade. Got to be a little more specific. John Deere again. I think I own that. Oops, that's not it. This is it right here. Wow, that thing's going. John Deere. Dixie doesn't want to let the spy move up that fast. I really like the Tesla reversal. Oh, let's see what happens with it, man. Come on, a little more. Let's see. 3-minute on Chevron. Okay, let's look. No, this is a wild chase. I wouldn't even go anywhere near this. That's a wild chase, bro. Tessie struggling a little. It's got to get back up to that 13. Spy's got to go boom here up to this 48. Come on, give me the fill. Give me the fill. Don't be a dickhead. And you're being a dickhead. And you're being a real dickhead, Tessie. Spy shark. There it is. Nice fucking thing. All right, let's see the cues. What are they doing? What are the cues doing? Let's see. What are the cues doing? Oh, cliff. Oh, wow. That was big. That was a big boy cliff on the cues there. Holy shit. That's big. Come on, Stressler. 178. Let's see. Let's see what you got in the tank, Stressy. It doesn't want it. Spy, I mean, fucking around, but let's see. Order filled. Woohoo! That's a scale out, team. That's a scale out. I love that shit. Thank you. Dude, I love hitting those scale outs. Oh, it's like my favorite thing in the fucking world. Oh my God. That's like my favorite shit ever. Oh yeah. Give me that, bro. Oh yeah. Give me that. Stop and profit. Let me go. Tessie up to the 13. Scalped it off the thigh gap there. A nice little move. Stop and profit. Oh my Lord. What a day so far. How about AMC to the upside on the 5-minute? Oh, you can take a look. I don't like no, you're chasing. Jason, you're chasing here, buddy. Jason, you're really chasing. What are you using to tell you to get into these trades or not? Because I mean, if you're trading classic cross, I mean, it would be break here, retest, go. But this is you're chasing, bud. That one, dude, please don't do that. If you're not using thigh gap, you got to remember, guys. Today is the last day to upgrade to 3-year before it changes to the 1-year master forever. Man, Jason, I don't know why you're chasing that so much, dude. Oh wow, Tessie booming. Tessie booming there. Oh, I can move my stop up a nice little 14% on Tessie. Oh, I love that shit, bro. Give me that. I'm up how much today? 2.2%. Oh, playground money. Thank you, Tesla. You guys see how easy it is with thigh gap? Boom, candle up. Oh my Lord, simple. Simple, man. Oh, I love trading with you guys. I love this shit, bro. Just drilling Tessie off the lows. Thank you. Easy, dude. Nice way to start off Monday. I wanted another scaling point and I couldn't get it. It just wasn't giving me what I needed. Scalp that SPY call for 5% on the 1 minute. Good shit, Algo. There you go, buddy. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Help spread this good word of what we're doing over here out to some more people, man. I mean, again, we're here saving retail in a way that's never been seen before. Don't get left behind. The use code. Oh, you guys sitting on the outside too. Use code Print City. You get your first month in platform for $5, and you won't be chasing it. I mean, guys, you can't chase in the market, dude. You cannot do that. Let's see. Where's SPY? SPY's got to get some juice here in order for Tessie to continue. Let's see. What do we got? Realize P&L looking sexy. Oh, man. What a day so far. Let's see if we can nail this Tesla move. I mean, it's been green for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, 18 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if it cools down. If it does, though, I would just like it to not nail my stop and profit, you know? Ideally, that's what I want. I think it's gonna crack though here. Let's see. What else were we looking at? Facebook. Never got it, but it's getting there. Nancy, no thanks. Netflix, no. I sold the Salesforces too on this candle coming up, or this can't. These were good sells. Let's see. Oh, they took my Teslas away. They took my Teslas away. You're waiting until 10? That's fine. Remember, guys, there's a right way and a right way and a wrong way to do things. Oh, they took my Tessie. Microsoft, we can take a look at it. Microsoft, another interesting one. So Microsoft and what? Facebook, both interesting to me here on reversals. Yeah. So I have no positions right now. I'm out. Up a nice 1.8% on the day. Really good there. Really good. So stressful, slipping more. That's fine. I rode Tessie all the way up. That was great, dude. It's just all thigh gap, guys. I mean, again, you guys saw what's his name coming in a little bit earlier. He delayed his 3-year upgrade and then said, "Oh, I'm gonna hop in." He's like, "Holy shit, thigh gap's awesome." It's like, yeah, I live by it, dude. I've never had more confidence trading than trading with thigh gap. It's showing me on the chart what I try to do in my head. Do you guys know how crazy that is? I'm basically trying to do this in my head. And it's really difficult to do so. But seeing it painted on the chart makes it so fucking simple. I love it, dude. Thigh gap's the truth. No. Yeah, SPY doesn't look great here. That's the only issue here with this Microsoft. It just SPY doesn't look great. I would need another candle. I would need another candle. Monthly doesn't get thigh gap? No, it's just lifetime in 3-year. Well, it's basically, so we're calling it the master tier. So master tier. And remember, the to get it in at the 1348 price for 3 years ends today. Tomorrow, it's 1348 price for master for 1 year. So if you guys want it for 3 years, you better get in before 4 p.m. today or else you're going to miss it. How are the premiums on this? Yeah, they're cheap. We got some cheapies. I'll bite. Back to work, Jed Welch. There you go. All right, let's see. Thigh gap leads the way. It does, dude. Thigh gap's disgusting. Spy trying a little. It's making an attempt. Let's see here. Microsoft's just been getting booty clapped here. Let's see. Spy Shark. Cool. All righty. What are we going to get? You're losing money every day. You might need to sell an organ. How, KS? How? How's that possible? What are you doing? Thigh gap's leading you to the promised land every single day. Patience, no chasing, none of that nonsense. I mean, I don't know how you could be doing that with traffic lights, the swing trades. I don't know how that's happening. Spy Shark in here. Let's see what it wants to do. Oh, nice. Spy slippage. Netflix holding on. Facebook looks interesting. Facebook catching my eye here. All right, new candles. Microsoft slipping. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's get after it. These are down a lot, bro. No. Let's see. Jump down at open. It's just some of the data that was coming out. Yeah, we did just get these data. I mean, the wholesale inventories just came out. Spies moving up. Microsoft doesn't care. Facebook looking interesting. Let's see here. Ooh. Tor, what up, buddy? Hey, internal server error. What the? What the shit? Spy getting a little spicy. Let's see. I have a green laser pointed at my forehead. Oh yeah, sure. Oh yeah, sure. Nah. Let's see. We're back. Gabe Raid. What up, team? How we doing? Welcome back to the stream. Again, guys, as you guys are filtering in, slap the shit out of the like button. Hopefully you guys are ready to have some more fun. Spy getting a little juicy here. Let's see what happens to some of these other stocks here. See if they're going to get a little boost with some of this nonsense. What happened to Microshaft? I don't know. It's just dying. I mean, I feel like it's got to come up for air at some point. It's down 2.2%. The Spy's trying to rip here. There she goes. Let's see. Oil and Lockheed up, something definitely cooking. Dude, there's a lot of things cooking over here. But yeah, guys, remember, today is the last day to upgrade to 3-year before it becomes 1-year master, and that's where it is staying for good. Careful, team. Do not miss that offer. Let's see if Spy can try and make its way up here a little bit. Spent the weekend using TradeView Replay to work on your fundamentals and risk management, up 3.18% on the port. Good shit. That was weird. Those are some weird candles there. You guys see that? Those were some very strange candles there. Those were some very strange candles there, team. Jeez Louise, bro. All right, let's see what we get here. All right. Little baby shark on the spot. Little bit, but that just got bought up quick. Those just got bought up quick, dude. Spy hunted a 3-minute traffic light here. It's getting hunty. Let's see. It's still early as shit, too, guys. It's 10. Let's see. Spy, little juicy here. Little bit juicy. Let's see. It's 8 a.m. there. Jesus. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Spy hunting. Microsoft hunting. Let's see what we get here. Come on, hit it. Come on, hit it, you fucker. Nope. Let's see. Come on, a little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Yeah, got it. Thank you. Beautiful scale out there. Thank you, Facebook. Stop and profit. Thank you. Where's this fucking thing? Man, that thing's annoying. All right, let's see what we get here. These Facebooks are up nice. So literally nice thigh gap trade on Facebook here. Coming back up. Those are up 5%. Those are good. Those are pretty good. I'm up 2% on the account right now. Let's see what happens, though. Spy's got to go from here. Like number 134. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, good scalp to Facebook to the 10. That's pretty good. I've got to stop and profit on it so it can do whatever the hell it wants. I want this to go. I want this up. I don't know if I'm going to get it, though. Do I just lock in the 2% day and just say fuck it? I feel like I should. I'm just going to go risk off, I think. I'm just going to risk off. Yeah, there. That's fine. Risk off. Thanks. Yeah, risk off. Cool. Brother-in-law's a dermatologist in South Florida, so if you're not going to wear sunscreen, I know a guy. Thanks, buddy. Oh, you fucker. Yeah, so I went a little risk off here with some of these. They were down like 2%, so I was like, I don't really want that. I sized up a little bit too, so let's see what happens with Microsoft here. Another thigh gap. Oh, wow, I'm really printing money today. All right, I'm gonna do this right here. I want that. Give me that. You give me that, I'm chilling. Yeah, took it. Thank you. Jesus, bro. Oh my God. I am up. Hold on, this could change here. 2.81% on the day. Woo, baby. Thank you. 3-minute thigh gap. See how easy this is, guys? It's just a waiting game. It's literally just a waiting game. It's patient, execute, boom. I still have the Facebooks too. They're pretty much flat though. Dude, that Microsoft trade was sexy as hell. Consolidation goes to boom. Again, today's the last day to hop into, what do you call it, 3-year at the super low price. Get all the master level updates. Remember, guys, that ends at 4 p.m. today, and it goes to 1 year. So the price isn't changing, but it's going from 3-year at 1348 to 1 year at 1348 for the masterclass, thigh gap, all the morning streams, my midweek masterclass, the Sunday master, everything. So don't miss out, guys. I mean, again, this stuff is dirty. Netflix reverse. Oh, is it doing it? Yeah, that's not enough for me. That's not enough for me there. So I have a stop and profit on the rest of this position here with Facebook. Going to see what we're going to get, but I'm already up a real nice percentage on my port today. So fuck you, Microsoft. That's what I have to say about that. You're teetering me all in this bullshit, and then fucking now you get it going. Dickhead. It's fine. It's a good thing we have Facebook. I played Microsoft up. Yeah, I played Microsoft up. Quick scalp. I didn't like it. I was sized a lot on it, just in terms of like what I like to trade. So I was like, don't really want to screw around with that. Drilled it though. Drilled this thing from the down to up move. Just scaling in along in here where it goes dark light, like just easy. Yeah, thigh gap trade. So drilled Tesla, drilled Microsoft, drilled Facebook. 3 wins today so far. Probably gonna be done. Sold out of those Salesforce puts. Absolutely killed those. Those were disgusting. So they're about to stop me out here, I think, on these Facebooks too, which is fine. I was buying them down here, bro. Like here, it's 210.72. And again, the thing is, guys, that those of you guys that may not realize sitting on the sidelines, thigh gap can allow you, depending on which time frame you're trading it, to bottom and top tick. So that's why I like it so much. And the risk is super tight, especially if you're bottom ticking. It's just a break of the low or a light dark in the other way. So again, last day to hop into 3-year team, but everybody gets over, what do you call it? Over 90% off their first month. Here's the QR code right here. I'm going to pop it on the screen. There you guys go. Use code Print City. You guys are good to go. Look for a huge thigh gap. Exactly. Been killing AMD calls. Fuck, I was looking at that. Oh, I was looking at AMD calls. There you go, man. Those are sexy looking. All right. My Facebook looking good here. What am I up on these? Like 7. I'm just I'm like 8%, 9%. I'm just kind of scalping for pennies on these. Like I'm not doing anything crazy, guys. my thigh gap trades, they're all quick scalps. Like I might just ditch this and then, or like throw the stop a little higher and then just be like, all right, YOLO, do whatever you want to do. Yeah, stop's a little higher now. Let's see what this wants to do. If it wants to break out from here, run it, go for it. Let me nail a fucking dirty trade, or it just stops me out in nice profit and I'm done for the day. Do I wait for the RSI to break? No. No, I trade thigh gap very purely. So like I've said before, I can, if I needed to, I could trade with blindly and just use the thigh gap chart. Am I going to? No, that's crazy behavior, but I could. Joined yesterday. There you go. David Price. How's Tesla? Good. I mean, I nailed Tesla from about down here all the way up to here. Sold out a bunch of my contracts at the 13, had to stop in profit, let these things go. But right now I wouldn't touch this. Just that's my opinion. I wouldn't touch it there. I mean, Facebook's looking good. This could get a nasty breakout here. It's down 2. I'm up 8 on it. I'm up 3% on my account right now. Fuck yeah, bro. Is there a masterclass tonight? Not a masterclass, but there should be a beginner live stream tonight. Midweek masterclasses are on Wednesdays. Yeah, printing money today, though, team. Like, legitimately printing money. Thank you, Thigh Gap. Up about 9.5%, 10% on these Facebooks here. And they flickered back down to 7. That's fine. Rode AMD up to the 200, got out at 13%, got back in on the first green candle, close above the 2. Damn, bro. There you go. There you go. All right, so Facebook's having trouble closing above this 3-minute 13. SPY, again, right at this 48 on the 3. I would not be surprised if this rejected here. It just wouldn't. Like, it can do whatever it wants at this point. What's good, team? What up, Pepe? How you doing? All right, guys, we're 7 likes away from 150. Hopefully you guys are learning some stuff today with how to use thigh gap. It's nasty. It's nasty. Let's see here. I can't even tell you guys how confident I feel in the market now. Just like, okay, wait for my setup, thigh gap switches, boom, execute. Like I can't even explain to you the feeling of just having this power at our disposal to just be like, all right, we're just gonna come in here and turn on our money printer. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Is that burn from the reflection on your phone or some shit? No, look at this. Guys, look at how burnt I am. Ah! Burnt as shit. What made you take the second dark light on Microsoft and not the first one? This one? You can take these. You're just kind of out here. This is not what you want to see. I mean, if you have enough time on your contracts, this is not really going to matter. But you're really looking for, like, if you look at this here, RSI is just cooked. So this has the ability to flash down, do whatever it wants to do. I also don't think I saw it until like here. So you could have taken some of these, but you don't really need to. All right. Facebook's slipping here. Are they going to stop me on this? Nah, I still got a little room. Dr. Zoidberg, what's that? Change the colors from yellow to red. Wait, on what? Hot potato. On thigh gap? Well, we had these colors like this so that it doesn't look like the MACD. I like these colors. I also haven't I've literally had no time to get the new charts loaded up. So I just stuck with what I know and what I like. Oh, my face. Oh, thanks. Keep using Al and you'll be fine. Dude, I feel fine right now. I'm chilling. It doesn't hurt anymore. 2 nights ago, or Saturday night, I couldn't sleep. It was bad. All right, they're about to stop me out on these, I think, unless it just gets a nice big bounce from here. But what were we saying? Look, SPY rejected off of the 3-minute 48. What were we saying? We would not be surprised if we saw this rejection here. It makes sense. You've seen this nice rally off these lows. You come up, you get a little bit of a retest here. It rejects. Let's see what happens going forward. I mean, I'm still in these, but let's see what happens. I'm barely green. I still have a stop in profit. I've already nailed it. They're about to stop me. No, they didn't hit it there. Let's see. He's a traffic light now. He's just promoting the system. Yeah, red light. I am the red light. Aloe. Yeah, I've been doing that, guys. I was throwing what do you call it on my face too? Some Aquaphor. Get some moisturizer back in there. Some Aquaphor all over the face. I'll be fine. I just don't want it to be peeling everywhere, which I feel like it's going to. I mean, we'll just have to deal with that as it comes. All right, Facebook back up. That stop was placed at a decent spot, so we got that retest on the SPY. Let's see. Aquaphor's dope. Yeah, but waiting for the green candle to close above the 48, and then it's on. Yeah, it might take a little bit for it to get there. I mean, Facebook needs to get above this 13 because right now it looks like Tesla. It looks exactly like we saw on Tesla. Come up, shark, teeter, 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 teeter. So if we can get a nice breakout here, run up to this 48, 213, 30, that'd be filthy. Are we gonna get it? I don't know. We'll see. I don't care at this point. I mean, I have the stop and profit. I'm just gonna let this thing go. That burn freaking sucks. I'm hurting for you. Yeah. See, here's the thing. Don't feel bad for me, guys, because literally everybody and their mother told me not to do it. And I said, fuck it. I'm only here for a few days. I never get to be out in the sun. It's cold as shit in Boston. I'm taking my ass outside. And as you guys can see, I fucked around and found out. Played the 3-minute 48 rejection, 0.65% of the port on the first trade of the day. There you go. Coins running. All right. That's interesting. Wow. Coin. Yeah. So I looked at this the other day when the market opened and coin was doing this, I sold my coin calls. And they would have been up a shitload if I just held them, but it's okay. You can't hit them all. You can't hit them all, guys. How's this looking with die gap? Still good. Still good. The Yankee son I'm used to. See, I know. It's not like I've been going to Florida forever, guys. You just have to think about it from my perspective. I don't get to go outside. I don't get to like do shit during the day ever. So on the 3 days that I had to like not be streaming like this, I was like, what am I going to sit inside? Fuck that. I'm sitting by the pool. Oh, dude. Okay, for all of you guys that love guns, remember I told you guys I have a little bit of a special skill in terms of just like accuracy. And I found out that I still got it. So we were shooting, I think it was either, I mean, 9mm easy, but it was 25 yards, which is nothing. I can hit targets at 100 yards with a 9mm. So I'm sitting there on the range and I'm just loading in like 5 rounds into the mag at a time. And I'll just line it up, just bing, 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 just painting this silhouette out there. And then we move over. I think we were using 223s, but it's only got a red dot for at like 100 yards. And we don't have a binoculars because we're stupid and we didn't bring them. And I'm sitting there at 100 yards, just like bing, 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 bing. And I'm like, I don't know if they're hitting. I mean, I feel like they are. And I'm just fucking painting this target, dude. Which is, we didn't put many rounds through it because it's a new gun and it was jamming. But dude, this I still got it. Just I'll point it out there. I still got it. Let's see. All right, we're seeing a little slippage here, a little teetering. What's the SPY doing? But yeah, I still got it, which is nice. I like having that skill around. Got out of AMD at a level. Nice. I did have fun. I mean, guys, I'm ready to work though. Like I'm back ready to go. Like all it takes me is like 3 days and I'm good to go again. Sounds like a cheap gun. It's not. It's just brand new and it hasn't like we hadn't oiled it up properly. So the guy was showing, he was like, yeah, you can hear the metal on it. And I was like, yeah, that's fine. With the first couple rounds that were going through it, we're fine. And then after like 3, it would just jam. It's not. The thing's nice. The pistol that we were shooting is a really nice, like really nice. Here's what happened. Bad ammo. That's probably what it was. Your AR doesn't jam. It wasn't an AR. It was something like it, but it wasn't like a specific AR. Like an actual one. What was I gonna say? 100 yards, CC3. We got ourselves a John Wick, don't we? No, no, I mean, I can show you guys at one point. I don't have a picture of the target, but um, what brand was it? I don't know. Here's the funny story. I'm pretty sure my dad just went into the store one day and just like said, fuck it, and bought a bunch of guns. Like he was like, YOLO, and just ended up with like 3 new guns. I was like, good job, Dad. Love that. All right, guys. 3 likes away from 150. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm up about 2.9% on my account today. Just chilling here with some Facebook calls, just kicking around. Yeah, spy slipping. They might take this if Facebook starts to knife here with the spy. Yeah, they're going to take that. Yeah, they've got to take that. If it drops a penny here, they're taking this. How are they not taking this? Yeah, there it goes. They took that. What brand? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, spy sharking, which is fine. I mean, I had that stop pretty close. So, I mean, this is going to be a hard break above this 3-minute 48 here. They have a spot down there, Daniel. But that's like the only spot we have. There's like an apartment up here, but like nobody's there. It's like a kind of shitty apartment too. I'm like, what are you doing? My dog was down there too, which was nice. Got to see Bodie. Do you like the dark light setup on AMD currently? I probably do. Yeah, I do. I actually do like that a lot, actually. Yeah, I do. Risk is super tight, just light, dark, back to the other side, but I do like that. Do you guys boat? My dad loves boats and fishing because my grandfather loved boats, never was able to get a boat, so my dad really wants a boat. But also, I don't know if your parents are like this, but they'll say they want something and then like they'll say it for like 10 years. Like I made a joke. I was talking to somebody like, "Oh, you looking at like he's want a boat?" He's like, "He's looking for a boat for 10 years, man. Like he's not gonna get a boat." I don't know. He wants one. He's like older though, so it's like, oh, just get a boat, hang out, have fun, play golf, do your thing, just retire, be done, stop working. You've been watching your brother-in-law's Golden Doodle for 2 weeks? Dude, the Golden Doodles are great. All right, guys, it is 10:29 in the morning. We are going to be wrapping up the stream for today. Remember, guys, I'm going to throw the link in here in the live chat for those of you guys that are not in the community yet. Remember, if for your first month on platform, it's $5. You guys see me printing every single day, our community, Rita, the algorithms, everything. You guys would be doing yourself a wild disservice by not hopping in, testing it out, seeing why thousands of people are printing with our system. We do things differently. That's why we have very different results. And team, do not forget, today is the last day to upgrade to 3-year. The master level, make sure that you guys hop in because after today, the membership is not for 3 years at the $13.48 price. It's 1 year. So if you want the whole 3 years at the super low price that we're offering you guys right now, go into your subscriptions area. You can click the Get Master. You can upgrade and you are all good to go. But after 4 p.m. today, that's it. So team, I will see you guys later. Have fun on Gabe Stream. Other than that, guys, welcome back to Prince City. I'm a tomato. Peace.